Hey y'all, I have this Pom Pom Glam complete mermaid birthday party decoration set. In the set, you get 8 of the little honeycomb balls. You get a shell garland. You get a happy birthday banner. You get a tasseled banner. You get a cake topper. And you get a bag of confetti or table scatter, whatever you want to call it. These also work great in balloons, by the way. If you don't want to make, have your mess all over your table or whatever. They work really, really well. These would be cute for any little girl's birthday party or even an adult's birthday party. But it's a really nice set, and you get all the decorations you need. You just got to come up with a tablecloth and a cake. Check these out on Amazon. I'll leave you a link below.